What's up, buttercups? How are you guys doing on this magnificently golden day? So far we have the Datsun there. It's golden, but then I'm actually going to be taking the Celica out for a drive this afternoon. Hopefully everything works. I don't even know if I have brakes. I should probably check all that stuff, but so far the engine has been, they've tried to make it work, so I think now it works. So I'm just going to try to actually take it out of here just to there. Let's see if it moves on its own power, and if not, my roommate's car is like right there and it might just bump into it, so let's hope that does not happen. And just to be precautious, I've taken out the trunk because I don't think it closes, so I put the trunk in the trunk, if that makes sense. So yeah, let me see, that closes.
So while I'm getting everything set up for the car to run, I'm just going to tell you guys a little bit about it. So I purchased this car last year in 2019, and it had not driven for about 20 years. So it hadn't been registered for about 20 years, since like 1999. The previous owner had started it as a project but never finished it. So far what we've done is we've replaced the fuel pump, rebuilt the 20R carburetor. The wiring was also terrible, and the car actually refused to get power to the interior of the car, and so I couldn't start it initially, so we had to manually start it from the engine bay. But we got that fixed. I could have gotten a Weber, but I'm in California, so I still have to do some golden smog. Also, the car is not registered, so I'm literally going to be driving this without any registration. This is going to be interesting.
And now, let's see what happens. Oh my God, please start. I haven't started this thing since it was fixed like almost a week ago. Please God, let this thing start. This is like cold start, and the carburetor still needs some adjustment. Okay, that's a good sign. I see light in the cabin. That is the key. Wow, it's so bright outside. But first start. Okay, that's good. Clutch in. I'm still gonna leave the handbrake on. Come on. Woo! First try, it came on. It took a little bit of starting, but oh my gosh, I cannot believe this car is running. Wow. I don't know what that sound was, but that was terrifying. Okay, putting it in first gear. First time in first gear. First gear. The window is so clouded so you guys can't see anything outside. But taking off the handbrake. Wow, the steering is hard. Oh my God. The steering is, it doesn't have power steering. Crap. Okay. I'm gonna do some power steering. Let's move it. Oh. Remember, this was from like the 70s. So this car does not have any aids at all. Oh my gosh, it's moving out. Let me see if reverse actually works. I don't know if you guys can see me, I apologize. But hold on. Okay, let's see if reverse works. Wow, this steering is hard to turn. But yes, reverse actually works. Oh. Oh my gosh, first test drive. Whew. This is terrifying. Ugh. Wow, this is not a joke. Oh my gosh. Second gear. Oh, this is so terrifying. Sound in the back. Oh, I don't think I tightened the wheels on properly. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go back. Oh, this is amazing. The smoke is all over the place. The lack of power steering sucks. Ugh. But look, it is actually driving. I literally can't see anything, but it's fine. Woo! Oh my god. It's extremely terrifying. Woo! There's a sound coming from the back that I don't like. But yeah, this is it. It is actually running. Oh my god, there's smoke literally everywhere. Wow. I'm so excited. That was a hopefully successful first try. Oh my god, okay. I'm gonna move it back, park it in there. But before that, oh my god, look at this. Stuff all over the place. I'm gonna turn it off. And that fan doesn't seem to work. This fan does not seem to work, so I need to figure out why. So yeah, I don't know what exactly is wrong, but I don't know if the fan is supposed to come on after it hits a certain temperature, but that doesn't seem to be happening. The fan is not on. So I'm gonna get a tester to see if the fan actually works first, and then figure out exactly what's wrong. So, but yeah. Datsun Celica, boom. Really old cars, but I love them and I love working on them. Okay, I'm gonna take, wow, there's a bunch of crap here. Like again, we haven't moved this car for about a year. Ow. Wow, that's heavy. Mom spaghetti. These are all the parts that I cut from the Datsun too. So,
you guys also saw all the black smoke that was pouring out from the car. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely need to do something about that because that's never gonna pass smog. So I think something is actually wrong with the carburetor. Maybe the rebuild wasn't very successful. So I'll get back to you guys on that. But it drives. After 20 years, over 20 years of not driving, it drove for the first time and I'm so excited. There's still a bunch of stuff I need to do. I need to take care of that clunking sound from the bottom. It sounds like maybe a support bearing, a drive shaft support bearing. I also need to take care of the interior completely. I need to get new wheels. There's so much work that needs to be done with the Celica. But I'm so excited that it runs at least. And I also need to get a registration, figure it out too. Because there's a problem with the title that I'm going to explain to you guys in the next video. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you all so much for watching this golden video. Bye!